Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you on this Monday morning? It is the 14th day of November, 3:55 a.m. and 48 degrees as I look at that super moon over there. Very bright, not a cloud in the sky right now. I know some of you tried to see the super moon through a thin veil of clouds last night, which have now moved away. And so if you didn't see it last night, you'll see it tonight. Super moon, because it is the closest moon closest to the Earth in 70 years, and it appears to be about 14% larger and 16% brighter than normal. In the weather headlines this morning, we are now halfway through the month of November, and looking out over the next 10 days, not only has there not been a drop of rain yet, the next 10 days not looking good. We'll look at this frontal system coming in Saturday that offers at least a little hope of a few scattered showers, but we are looking now at the very real possibility that we may be headed for one of the most unprecedented situations since I've been covering the weather for you over the last 39 years, and that would be one of the driest Novembers in our weather history. Take a look at some of these stats here. So far, not a drop of rain in the month of November, usually a very active month. Look at 1924, 1900ths of an inch, 1890, a quarter of an inch of rain. Well, you can see, even 1981, we had a half an inch. Let's hope we don't break or get on that list as far as the driest Novembers. We have a few days left in the month. Well, we have half the month left now. 7-day rainfall. Indicating very little hope that most of us will see any rain, maybe a few showers in North Alabama. That's from the official WPC outlook. Here's the GFS out 10 days, again indicating most of us no rainfall on that particular global model. Let's look at the other global model, up maybe a couple of scattered showers somewhere in here towards Saturday, according to the European out 10 days, but the outlook is very bleak. That takes us through 10 days. This is what's happening right now. You can see that streak of clouds in southeast Alabama that hid the supermoon for some of us, or at least kind of obscured it a bit. Mostly sunny and nice today as those clouds are moving out now. High temperature around 71, tonight's low 44, northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Maybe a better night to see the supermoon tonight. It'll still look pretty spectacular. There's a front out to the west of us, which is washing out, a very weak front. It has a couple of showers near the Mississippi River, but sunshine, low humidity for us tomorrow, and a high temperature in the low 70s. So it should be a nice day. Sunny, dry, comfortable. We're warming up. Each day is a little warmer. Wednesday in the mid-70s. I think Thursday we are in the upper 70s. So sunny, very warm with high pressure out to the east of us, and that return flow giving us the warmer temperatures. As we get towards Friday, winds start to pick up, and there's that frontal system coming out of the Midwest. It has rain with it Friday, but by the time it gets into our state Saturday, you see what happens? Once again, the showers start to break up as the front approaches us, and, could there be some showers? I've got a 20% chance in on Saturday. 72 is the high tomorrow. Mid-70s on Wednesday. Notice the mornings are still in the 40s. 77 the high on Thursday, and 76 Friday with clouds increasing and maybe a couple of showers on Saturday, but I've got the chances very small. Out there in the western Caribbean, 60% chance of development of a system that needs to be watched. It could have implications perhaps farther north into Jamaica, maybe Haiti, maybe Cuba. We'll be watching that. The hurricane season is over at the end of the month. Here is the European out 10 days, indicating at least a possibility of a few showers Saturday, but a small chance. From run to run, it varies, but we'll continue to keep our fingers crossed that we may see a few showers Saturday, and then much cooler air coming in. You can see the high temperatures on Sunday and Monday. Big change behind this next front. And in fact, not only are the daytimes are going to be a lot cooler, I think the nights are going to be a lot cooler as well. In fact, let's go to the other global model. This is the GFS. This is out 16 days showing the cool days on Sunday and Monday, and the very cool mornings may be close to freezing perhaps Monday and Tuesday. It's about time. We haven't had officially our first freeze in Montgomery, although Troy had a freeze the other morning. A very serious drought situation continues. No burn order in effect. Take it easy. If you're going to be raking up leaves, don't burn the leaves because that could cause a dangerous situation. People are flicking cigarettes out their window on the interstate and causing fires. We got to all be very, very careful during this extreme drought situation. I'll continue to look for raindrops. There'll be another live update from the Blue Water Weather Center at 11 o'clock this morning at RichThomasWeatherNetwork.com. I'll see you on the radio this morning on NewsTalk 93.1 on BAMA Country, and all day long, twice an hour, whenever you want your forecast. You'll find it all across the dial. I'm everywhere on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of radio stations. Hope you have a great day today, and I'll have another video for you tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. Have a good day. See you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.